31 Day 31 Quiz Basic English Pictorial Quiz Series, this month May 2022. Enhance your English language vocabulary, reading, recognize, and identification skills with our best quiz series.
We added daily quizzes at morning 9:00 a.m. The main key feature of these quizzes: 1. Totally free of cost. 2. You can solve quizzes anytime, anywhere from your mobile. 3. Take 60% marks and get a beautiful certificate. 4. You have only 3 chances to pass the quiz. 5. At the bottom of the quiz post, you can check your rank number on the leaderboard. 6. All the quizzes are based on pictures.
The main key feature of our quiz is all the quizzes are based on a pictorial quiz. Your child can easily learn the basic English language with 31 Days 31 Quiz Basic English Pictorial Quiz Series. In this summer vacation, build your pupils' English language skills with our quiz series. We added a daily quiz.